In today's tutorial, we will learn how you can work with algebraic terms and add them together, and when not to add algebraic terms. Now let me give you some examples here. A lot of the times in the books of algebra, you'll see the scary stuff, which is x plus y. Can I add them or not? Or 2x squared y plus 2x squared y. Can I add them or not? 2xy squared plus 2x squared y. Can I add them or not? Now let's learn in this tutorial if you can really add and what you can really add. Now, to get started, let me ask you a very simple question. $1 plus $1. Can you add it? And you will say, oh, of course, $1 plus $1 makes it $2. True? Okay. Now, instead of saying $1 plus $1 makes it $2, remember in algebra you don't write 1. 1 is understood. Now if I say, instead of $1, an x plus x. $1 is x. $1 is x. So if $1 and $1 can give you $2, and x plus x will gonna give you 2x. So what does that mean? There's a rule in algebra which says if the terms are same, means if the letters are same and the exponents are same. Two rules. Letters are same and exponents are same. Two rules. Say it again. Letters are same, exponents are same. Only then I could add or subtract. If letters are same and exponents are same, only then I can add or subtract. So x plus x, 2x. Similarly, $1 makes $2. Okay, now let's change things around a little bit. $1 added to, there is another currency used in certain parts of the world called rupees. You probably would have seen it in Zelda, as Link goes around collecting rupees, right? So here we see $1 plus 1 rupees. $1 plus 1 rupees. Can you add them? And you'll see, no, I can't add them because they're different currencies. I have to convert either everything to rupees or everything to dollar. Only then I can add them. Same rule applies in algebra. Same rule applies in algebra. Rather, this rule is based on algebra. So x plus y. X is my dollar, y is my rupees. Since dollar and rupees can't be added, x and y can be added. You're going to keep them the way they are. They will stay the same. Very similarly, 2x squared plus 2y squared, you cannot add them. The only thing you can do is, since 2 is a common factor, you can write 2 out the parentheses, and you can write x squared plus y squared inside the parentheses. That's all you can do. But you cannot add x and y, because they're different. You can't add different stuff. Okay, now if somebody says, what about x squared plus x? Can I add them? Remember the two rules? Letter has to be the same. Oh, it's the same letter. Exponents have to be the same, but they're different in this example. Since they're different, you can't add them. In order for you to add the two things, the exponents have to match and the letters have to match. So now x squared plus x will stay x squared plus x. Nothing will change. Very similarly, if I have 2x squared y and I have 2xy, you will say, well, you know what? Y's are matching, but remember, this is whole term. Whole term has to match. You just can't pick and choose. The whole term has to match for two quantities to be added or subtracted. Okay, now, what if 2x squared y and 2xy squared Can I add them? Same rule. Nope. Why? X's don't match, Y's don't match, the terms don't match, because this is the term, basically. This is the term, and they don't match. So if they can't match, they can't be added. Okay, now let's go forward from here. Very simple stuff, right? It's very simple stuff. Anytime you're solving algebraic equation and you're like, can it add or not? Always assume if it's $1 or whatever currency your country has to see if it's the same stuff, then it can be added. If it is not the same stuff, then you cannot add that stuff. Okay, now let's go forward. We have X minus X. It's like $1 minus $1. If you have $1 and you spend it, you have nothing left. X minus X, same deal. X minus X is 0. Like $1 minus $1 equals to $0. Same principle applies here as well. Okay, now let's go forward from here. Okay, now 2x minus x. A lot of the students get confused when they see x. They're like, okay, now this is a common mistake. Don't do that. They subtract x from x and give me the answer 0. And then they multiply 0 by 2 and they give me the answer 0. Incorrect. Both of these guys are in it together. Remember, this is one term and that's another term. The whole term needs to be subtracted or added. Okay, now let's look at it like this. 2x, $2, $2 minus $1. What's left? $2, $2, spend $1, $1 is left. Okay, now 2x minus x, 1x is left. 1x is left. Out of the two x's, one goes away, one is left. Same principle, same rules. Don't have to do anything different here. Okay, now let's look at it again. 3xy minus 2xy. Remember, x and y are together as one entity? This is basically 3 minus 2 is what we're looking at. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1xy, but we don't write 1 in algebra. We'll just say xy. And that's where we're going to stop. So that's how you could do addition and subtraction in algebra whenever you are dealing with terms. In the terms, all the letters along with their exponents must match. Thank you for watching this tutorial.